cryptographic forms of money have bit by bit saturated the standard cognizance and got some decent forward movement. Be that as it may, a significant number of them neglect to endure over the extreme long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority earn. For the sake of entertainment, what is a sheer vastness, Axes, being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry. A sheer limitlessness is based on Ethereum, organization. There are endless approaches to procuring a sheer, however, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of a sheer limitlessness. A sheer endlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital currency. Players can procure the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token. NFT games have acquired colossal prevalence around the world. Thus, this might support the general development of the Axie environment and according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one perspective, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and fabricates a vibe of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a reasonable stage. Clients can claim the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them and use them across an always extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie boundlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie vastness, Axes, is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In a one-of-a-kind way, the Axie endlessness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of agents. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and impeccable. In this way, supporting its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. With a market cap of $1,196,533,123 and an exchanging volume of $255,365,742, Axie boundlessness's ongoing cost activity mirrors an enormous recuperation. The Axie vastness's cost weights around $11.84 with an unequaled high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234 separately in the crypto market. Axie endlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 101,043,121 Axes, and the pioneers behind Axie boundlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie vastness has a ton of vows to see for its fans, according to their specialized investigation. As per specialized investigation, Axie tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of stirring things up around town, the token revised enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. In any case, the future cost of Axie limitlessness, Axes, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Axes holders might add more tokens to average their possessions, yet for new financial backers, it is a dangerous chance to enter the market. Nonetheless, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie endlessness shards. As per Wallet Financial Backers' Axes cost forecast, it is a terrible long-haul speculation, as the cost in the following year might drop to $0.343. Though, as per our Axie boundlessness estimate, the Axes cost could start an upturn and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. Axie endlessness value expectation 2023. Our Axie boundlessness, Axes cost forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie limitlessness's cost is estimated to have a greatest worth of $12.96, while the typical cost might be around $9.07. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.15. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2024. According to our Axie boundlessness cost expectation, the Axie coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $18.25, while the base cost might be $12.50. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of $15.38. It is normal that the Axie's financial backers might acquire fair benefits in the year. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025. Axie Limitlessness Axies in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $19.34, while the base and greatest Axie boundlessness cost may be $16.30 and $22.37. Separately, in light of our Axie vastness estimate. Axie vastness value expectation 2026. According to the Axie's cost estimate, Axie's coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $25.15, with a base cost of $20.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $22.95. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie boundlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be gigantic. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie limitlessness forecast, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $26.50, while the base and most extreme costs of Axies are expected to be $22.45 and $30.55. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2028. As per our Axie coin cost expectation, the most extreme worth is expected to be $33.10, while the potential low might be around $24.22. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $28.66 all year long. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the likely high of the coin might have reached $35.15. According to our Axie vastness crypto cost forecast. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie vastness, Axies, the base and normal costs, might be around $27.50 and $31.33 separately. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2030. In light of Axie's crypto cost expectation, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $32.75, $40.33, and $36.54 separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be remarkable. Is it productive to put resources into Axie endlessness Axies? In view of the Axie's cost expectation, it very well may be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie endlessness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie limitlessness is supposed to be around $36.54. Our Axie limitlessness cost gauge certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate. Yet the computerized money will ascend from now on. Where could you at any point purchase Axie endlessness Axies? Axie limitlessness Axies is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so on. There are no immediate fiat buy choices for Axies. You want to purchase Bitcoin with government